won against England in 2023 World Cup with 69 runs. How much you confidence to repeat this performance after losing first match against South Africa 106 runs?
First of all, I feel that you said 2003. We were not playing in 2003. In 2023, we had a good game against England and we beat them. We have that confidence with us, but that's part of the history, and now we have to go to ground with the new mindset and with the new planning. I think we all know that England is one of the best teams, so it's a tough challenge for us, but we are ready for any kind of challenge, and we worked hard to achieve, to reach to this level, and we are ready to play every game positive way, and inshallah we will take that confidence with us what happened in 2023 World Cup, but at the same time tomorrow is new day and we will try our best to beat them again.
Afghanistan doing well in last few years. Before start the Champion Trophy, most of the experts predicted that Afghanistan will play the semi-final. Do expert opinion gives you more confidence or pressure?
It feels good when legends and cricket experts talking positive about you and your team, so that gives you confidence, but at the same time, if someone talk and say that doesn't mean that we will. If they say we qualify for semi-final, we have to work hard for that in the ground. So as I said, that there are quality teams in this Champions Trophy and top world top 8 ranked teams. So it's tough challenge for facing each other. So these things give us confidence, but at the same time we have to work hard in the ground and we have to give our 100%, and we have to play best cricket on the day if we want to beat these teams.
Thank you. Hashmat Zain from Agence France Presse. Before tomorrow match, around dozens of British politicians has called English Cricket Board to boycott tomorrow's match. How do you see this call, and does such calls affect your own field performances as well? Thank you.
As I said in the last press also, that we are cricket players, we are sports persons or sportsmen. So what we control is we control what we can do in the ground, inside the ground. So we don't worry about what happening out of the ground, and does that not can do anything with our confidence. We play hard, we work hard, we have good net sessions, so that's what we thinking of, and we only can do what we can do in the ground.
Hashmat, do you feel after the way the game against South Africa went that the best template for Afghanistan to be successful is batting first, regardless of whether the dew is a factor?
I think when we bat first, that gives us more chance, but at the same time we beat teams in the last World Cup also batting second, and after that in the series also, but in South Africa game, I think that the wicket was little bit supportive for the fast bowling, and there was no when our spinner were bowling, there was no support for them. I didn't even see one ball turning. We didn't played well, especially in batting. We didn't started really well first 20 hours. So at the same time, it's not an excuse, but the way world knows that we have good spinners. I didn't see any support there, but hopefully we have some support in tomorrow's game for our spinners.
Hashmat, the legendary Yunus Khan is your mentor, so how it is beneficial for your team?
It's more beneficial because Yunus Khan is a legend, and he played a lot of international cricket, and he's as a mentor with us. So every player listen to him, and the people's like Yunus Khan, if he say one word to you, that one word can change your game. So he's a mentor. He's just working with us on our mindset, and yeah, everyone listen to him, and hopefully that works because he know this condition, Pakistan condition. He played a lot. So about the ground and pitches also, we give advice from him, and hopefully that works for us.
Can I ask a question in Pashto? शायद वही जिस था सुधा स्पिन ट्राई चूंकि इंग्लैंड दा रीसेंट परफॉर्मेंसेस उगो रही इवन इंडिया खिलाफ नो स्पिन खिलाफ अभी लग कमजोरी दी नो स्तासो स्पिन ट्राई और राशिद नबी और नूर अहमद सोना एक्सपेक्ट कोई दुई नदा सबाने मैच के
मुखो चे कुम युवलस कसान लोबीग इंशाल्लाह टोलो नबे एक्सपेक्टेशन नीचे दुई अफगानिस्तान लपार परफॉर्मेंस कई नो अल्लाह दियो की सबा विकेट स्पिनिंग तखावी लग नो तासो उम्मेले इंग्लैंड टीम चिदा वो लग स्पिन सर स्ट्रगल किया और बिलखुसूस ब्यादी मंग स्पिनरान चिदी अगर डीर प्यावड़ी दी डीर खदी नो क इंशाल्लाह सपोर्टी दा बमंग सराई ब्या विकेट की सपोर्टी नो कसहम इंग्लैंड तासो वेले चितीर सीरीज किया दुमरा खलो बना वकड़ी खूब मंग दलता चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी के हर टीम चिदा अगर टीम दा दुई अचीव कड़ी दी और इंग्लैंड को गोरे वर्ल्ड चैंपियन पाती शवेदा 2019 वर्ल्ड कप गटले दा नो मंगा शई ना इजी ना खलू और मंगा बा इंशाल्लाह लावल बाल तर आखिर बाल कोशिश को चे फाइट को और मंग दुइना 13 वर्ल्ड कप के मैच गटले हम दा और इंशाल्लाह बिया बम कोशिश को चे दगा द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी मैच हम तेना उगट
Hi there. The ICC have said they're going to up their support for the exiled Afghan women's team. They're going to try and get them playing on the international stage. Is that something you and the team would support?
Sorry?
So the ICC are saying they're going to give support to the exiled Afghans women's team. They're in Australia at the moment. They're going to try and get them playing on the international stage. Is that something you and the men's team would support? Would you like to see the Afghan women playing?
It's like, yeah, everyone likes to see everyone plays, and as I say before to the other person about the same, like when it comes to politics and those things which we cannot control, so we are only cricket players, we can control things in the ground, and we belongs to ground, and we are always trying to give our best when we play.
Hi Hashmat, it's Shakil Khatak. I would like to ask you two questions, one in English and one in Pashto, if you allow me. First of all, the Qaddafi Stadium batting is always supported for the batters. Yesterday, the England and Australia match, we saw they chased 351 targets. So what do you expect from this kind of wicket? Because your core strength is spin bowling.
Yeah, I will be happy as a captain if we give some support for our spinners. But if it comes to the Pakistan condition, most of the time it's batting friendly. So we don't put ourselves under pressure in those things. Because pitch is not in our control. And our control is how to play. So we will focus on to give our best. And as a captain, I will say again that I will be more happy if we get support during for the spinners.
दलता तासु कला प्रैक्टिस मैच हो पाकिस्तान शाइन्स खिलाफ दलता डेर ज्यादा तासु मीनावाल रागली हुआ हुए चिमुंग द स्टेडियम ता जजात राकी चिमुंग खपल चिकम स्टार्स दिया हुआ गुरु अगुला पर असम मैसेज वके जगह चिमुंग चिम दलता रातलु अगुई चिमुंग डेर डाई हार्ड फैन इन द अफगान क्रिकेट टीम और उम्मीद लरू छि अफगान बा खब दलता के तगड़ा मुकाबला बकई अगुला पर ताल सही मैसेज
من خو हमेशा افغانانو سپورټ کړیو خپل لوبډلې دا او موږ چې هر چیرته تلیو موږ ته ځان را رسولې دا موږ ته دعاګانې کړې دي نو زه په دې هم پیغام چې افغانستان چې دلته پاکستان کې هم ډېر افغانان اوسېږي یا کراچۍ کې هم چې زموږ میچو تقریبا په 2 مینټس کې خو سټیډیم آلموست فولو نو ان شاء الله همدا توقع ده چې دلته به هم زموږ افغانان راځي او موږ به سپورټ کوي او دوی هغه سپورټ چې موږ سره دا موږ ته ډېره مثبت انرژي راکوي نو ان شاء الله چې د افغانستان نه به هم راځي او دلته په پاکستان کې هم ډېر زموږ افغانان دي نو تمام همدا ده چې ټول راشي او دلته موږ سپورټ کوي ان شاء الله.
Hello, do you think Afghanistan need to improve in batting department to beat the top team in ODIs?
I think if you look at the past, we did well as a batting unit. That's why we achieved. And everyone knows that we have quality spinners, but one department, only spinners cannot you win games, especially when it comes to the big teams. So I believe that we did really well in the recent past as a batting unit, but in last game in South Africa game, the way we